right, guys, welcome to Breakpoint. Today we have pupusas. Now, this was requested, and this is going to be my take on it. First, we have to make fresh corn tortillas. It's made with something that they call Maseca, or we call it masa in the Hispanic community. So, without further ado, let's get to it. I've already measured it out. I have 2 cups of flour. We're not going to make very much. It's only 3 of us here. And a cup and a half of water. I'm just going to get right to it, folks. We're going to have to mix this up. We bring it in. When you're mixing, you're going to notice, depending on your climate, depending on if you packed the scoop, you didn't pack the scoop, you know how it is when it comes to like a flour type stuff. You're going to have to gauge it by your dryness and wetness. Now, this right here is a little bit too dry for me, so I'm going to add just a smidge of water. Okay, so you want it to feel like Play-Doh, like when it's brand new. You remember when you were a kid, you were playing with Play-Doh? Be right back. I'm going to grab some water. Now, this is dry Play-Doh, and dry Play-Doh wasn't very fun. So we're going to add just a little bit more water in there. Now, this is gluten-free because it's corn, right? And you don't have to worry about, oh, I kneaded it too much, it's going to get tough. So that doesn't happen with this. You're just trying to mix it all, incorporate the water in that masa mix to get your clay dough perfectly right so you can make either your tortillas or the other stuff. Papuzos. ¿Cómo que? What is it?
Papusa.
Papusa. There you go. All right, folks. That was just a joke, but you know how it is. Okay, folks. It's done mixing. And it's got a pretty good consistency. Now watch this. I'm going to squeeze this with my hands. And I peel it off. There's nothing. Peel it off. It's nothing. There we go. That's all it takes. Feels like Play-Doh to the touch and to the hand. So we pre-made. We have some taco meat. We have some enchilada sauce. We have some fresh beans, some pinto beans that we made up. And so we're going to make pupusas, right? Pupusas. We got all our ingredients. We made fresh taco meat. We made refried beans from scratch. We made an enchilada sauce from scratch. And we have cheese. As you can see, the masa doesn't stick to my hands at all. I can roll it. It's ready to go. So here we go. I'm going to make an indentation with my 3 fingers here in my palm to create like a little bowl. Imagine this like in a dumpling. It's not like a calzone because you would just flip it over, but here's how it looks. Now we're just going to fill this with some beans. We have some beans right here. We have some taco meat right here. I'm going to put some of that in there. Now cheese is always like a binder, plus it's delicious. So we're going to add some cheese. And I do have some sauce there, but I don't recommend putting the sauce in yet because when you try to form this dough with everything in it, the sauce is going to erupt like a volcano. It gets just too messy. So I'm going to press down on all this stuff. I'm going to form this just like this. Whatever excess you have, just throw it back in your pan. It's no big deal because the bottom line is you need to get it done. Now, check it out. It's kind of like a donut, right? Don't be paranoid. You got some stuff on the bottom. That's okay. That will cook and that will just taste caramelized and delicious. Let's say that you broke something on the side here. Just get another piece of dough and paste it in. We all remember being in kindergarten playing with Play-Doh. It was a lot of fun, wasn't it? This is what this feels like when you have the right consistency. We're talking about Play-Doh. Okay, guys, we got our papasas.
Papusa.
Papusa. As requested. Thank you, Mimi, for the suggestion. We will try anything that we can that the people tell us. We are all about it. So I'm gonna just do my own version of what I think this is. Now we have in here we have filled with taco meat, refried beans, cheese. Okay. And what my plan is I'm going to do, I'm going to cook this and I'm going to turn this into like an enchilada, if you will. I'm going to add enchilada sauce and melted cheese. Then I'm going to plate that up with another side of refried beans next to that to cap that off. And it should be super delicious. So we're going to let this cook. And I'll heat up a little bit to get things going. And let me check on this sauce right here. Should be going. Keep this hot. It's real nice and silky. Yep. So you're just basically cooking in dough. All the ingredients are cooked already. We just made the taco meat. We just made the beans. We refried them. We put cheese in there. And we're just cooking the dough basically. So I would say let it go for 2 to 3 minutes on each side. Looking for my spatula right now. Again. There it is. All right. Got some grease going. Got some lard in there. I'm going to add just a little bit of water, just for some steam effect. And a lid. Now, that's going to act kind of like tamales, guys. How you're steaming out tamales. You got some masa sauce, some dough in there, same thing. That's all we're doing. We just need to cook this through. Like I said, everything else has been cooked. We'll try to cut out this noise of the sizzling for you as much as can. But we'll see you in a minute. Okay, guys. This has been cooking for about 5 minutes. We turned it, and I'm occasionally adding a little water like this. It's noisy though. Just a splash, put a lid on it, let it steam out. You can see it's cooking pretty good. All right, so what I like to do, or what I'm going to do, whether I like it or not, is I'm going to add cheese to this right on top. I'm going to add my enchilada sauce like that. And then I'm going to cover. And add just a drop of water, a couple drops of water. So it'll steam out, melt that cheese, get it all gooey, and then it's time to eat. Okay, folks, here's pupusas all done, finished. We got the refried beans ready to go. We added some fresh pineapple just because. Again, we thank Mimi for recommending this. She's from down there in Texas, so I hope that you guys were safe during a tornado yesterday, and we're under the same conditions here. So make sure you enjoy, give it a like, make sure you check the description down below. We'll see you till next time.